सभी को ओम. Now today we will talk about उपचार पद्धति. First topic, disease of pranavasotas. Number one is wet cough, or we can call it bronchial asthma. Now the new treatment protocol says it that we have to mix two ingredients. That number one is Divya Swasari Quat with 200 gram and Divya Mulethi Quat with 100 gram. Mix in water until it reaches to the 100 ml. Then strain it and just drink it before the meals in morning and evening. Like we can use it in empty stomach. Now the number second is Divya Swasari Gold Capsule. We can take this one in a day, once or twice before the meals. So yeah, this we have to take in an empty stomach. Now the number third is we have to take the three ingredients. That is, number first is Lakshmi Vilas Ras with 40 gram. Number second is Sanjeevani Ras with 40 gram, and number third is Patanjali Curcumin Gold, and it consists of 60 tablets. So we have to take this three tablets thrice a day, like morning, evening, and night. These three tablets should be taken with lukewarm water, and it can be taken after the meals in morning and evening. If the patient is suffering from lesser Vyadhi, we can give him or her a Divya Swasari Vati.